Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're diving into an incredible piece of technology you won't want to miss. Are you tired of clunky, unreliable printers that eat up your budget and your patience? What if I told you there's an all-in-one solution that's not only incredibly efficient, but also comes with a fantastic bonus, all wrapped up in a stylish package? Well, get ready, because we're talking about the HP DeskJet 2842e all-in-one printer with bonus 3 months of instant ink in a stunning purple. And yes, it's a renewed gem that performs like new. First up, let's talk about the absolute game changer that comes with this printer, the bonus 3 months of instant ink with HP Plus activation. This isn't just a perk, it's a revolution in how you manage your printing costs and convenience. Imagine never having to rush to the store for ink again, or worse, running out just when you need to print that crucial document. With instant ink, your printer intelligently orders new cartridges before you run dry, and they're delivered right to your doorstep. HP Plus activation also brings a host of other benefits like advanced cloud connectivity and enhanced security, ensuring your printer is always smart and secure. This means significant savings over traditional ink purchases and unparalleled peace of mind. It's about more printing, less worrying, and keeping your budget happy. But what good is smart ink delivery if the printer itself isn't a powerhouse? That's where the print, copy, and scan functionality of the DeskJet 2842e truly shines. This isn't just a single-task device. It's your complete home office assistant. Need to print a school report? Done. Want to quickly make a copy of a recipe? Easy. Got an important document to digitize and email? The scanner handles it with crisp clarity. Having all these capabilities in one compact unit means less clutter on your desk, fewer devices to manage, and the ultimate versatility for everything from daily tasks to creative projects. It's perfect for students, remote workers, or busy families who need a reliable, multi-talented machine ready for anything. And speaking of convenience, let's highlight the brilliant simplicity of wireless printing. In today's connected world, who wants to be tethered by cables? With the DeskJet 2842e, you gain the freedom to print from virtually anywhere in your home or office, directly from your smartphone, tablet, or laptop. Whether you're lounging on the couch and remember you need to print something, or you're in another room juggling multiple tasks, sending a print job is just a few taps away. This seamless connectivity means you can place your printer wherever it's most convenient, not just where an Ethernet cable reaches. It truly integrates into your smart home ecosystem, making printing an effortless part of your digital life. Plus, with a respectable print speed of up to 7 pages per minute for black and a 60-sheet input tray, it handles your daily demands without breaking a sweat. So, why settle for a basic printer when you can have an all-in-one powerhouse that's smart, efficient, and even stylish in purple? The HP DeskJet 2842e is more than just a printer. It's an investment in productivity, convenience, and savings. It's a renewed product, which means you get fantastic performance at an even better value, making it a smart choice for both your wallet and the environment. This is the printer that adapts to your life, not the other way around. Don't miss out on transforming your printing experience. If you're ready to embrace smart ink delivery, versatile functionality, and wireless freedom, then the HP DeskJet 2842e is waiting for you. Find the link in the description below to grab yours today and elevate your home office or creative space. You deserve technology that simplifies